How to edit a subtitle. To begin, I opened a subtitle and a video and I want to edit this subtitle. To change the text of a line, just select that line and change its text in the text box below. To insert new line, just right-click on a line and select Insert Before or Insert After. To merge two lines, just right-click on one of the lines and select Merge with Line Before or Merge with Line After. To split a long line, just right-click on it and select Split. To fill the gaps between lines, just right-click on a line and select Extend to Line Before or Extend to Line After. To delete a line, just select the line and press Delete key on your keyboard. Hold down the Ctrl key and select your lines. To select multiple lines, press Ctrl+Z to undo changes and press Ctrl+Y to redo the changes. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.